Welcome back to RVD Holdings Training Division. On our previous video, we got to know about how to download and install Zoom, and how to sign up Zoom. On today's video, we will look about how to set up online teaching studio. First, we will look about essential equipment for online teaching studio setup. We have to know about these 4 essential tools. At number 1, we need to have a good quality and standard camera, and then we should have a perfect microphone. And next, our requirement is good quality lights to have a clear view. And finally, we need an online applications or interface. We have many interfaces. We have so many applications for this purpose other than Zoom. Okay, let's start from first. The camera. We need good quality camera for show our faces or whiteboards to the participants that can shoot video of you and deliveries those footages to others. Okay, we have listed a few camera details for your reference. You may choose one from this or find some with similar configurations and features. Then we need a good microphone. The microphone basically captures our voices and sounds and transmits to the systems. By having quality microphone we can reduce the noises, and will have clarity in communications and online teaching applications. You can use your phone's or laptop's microphone, that built with camera, but recommended to use a quality external microphone. It's good to have. It can give good standard voice result for your online class. We have listed a few microphones, so you can choose one from this or similar. Next, the lighting. Most important one, because this can make your video to the high standard. So, there are 6 types of lighting setup. Let's see them. First, small ring light. Second, Razer Thankyou webcam. And third, Julius panel light. And other more 3 lighting setups are Mount Dog softbox lighting kit. And then, nearing light. And finally, Pvt standing light. Okay. And next essential tool is an online application or interface. This can be your choice. There are many online interfaces available for teaching online. So, if you need to connect with your student, you must need one of this online interface. Here are some tools for you. We all know about Zoom. Other than Zoom, Skype, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, YouTube, Secretive. Now, we should consider about studio background. When you do a face-to-face online class, your students can see your face and what you have in your background. It is better to have solid single color to your background. Generally we recommend green background. Okay, now we will look about lighting position. First, backlight. It has to place in back right corner of your position, and key light has to place in front right corner of your position. Next, fill light. It has to place in front left corner of your position. Place the light's position as we given in the picture. This is how you have to place your light positions. Okay, let's see about some tips. First, make your solid background. And then, your desk with your computer. Remember, your background have to be neat, and without any other distracting elements on it. And make sure that you are using soft carpets, because soft carpeting will absorb sound waves and improve audio. And next important tip is make sure your camera lens at your eye level. This will make your video more perfect. Okay friends, now you know how to make online teaching studio. So, thanks for watching. On our next video we will discuss about how to do a Zoom online classes more effectively, with many tips. Okay, keep support us. subscribe our channel, and like this video. Share with your family and friend. Thank you.